In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey using Jotform. Begin by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the upper left-hand side of your screen and click on the Create button. A new set of options will appear. Click on Form, since a survey is essentially a type of form. Now you'll be offered a few choices. You can start your survey from scratch, or you can use one of the many pre-made templates. If you choose to start from scratch, you'll then need to select between two form types: the classic form, which displays all questions on a single page, or the card form, which presents one question per page. Although card forms can be helpful in some scenarios, they can be time-consuming when building longer surveys. To simplify the process, it's better to use a template. To do this, return to the previous screen and select Use Template. In the search box, type Survey and press Enter. You'll now see a wide variety of survey templates, including career choice surveys, software surveys, and many more across different fields. Browse through the list, and when you find a template you like, click Use Template. Once your selected template loads, you can begin customizing it. Click on the header to change the title of the survey. You can also click on individual questions to edit the text. If you wish to remove a specific section, simply click on it and then click the bin icon to delete it. To add more content, click Add Element from the left side of your screen. For example, if you want users to provide their name and email, drag the full name and email fields into the form. If you'd like to make any field mandatory, such as the email field, click on the field, then click the gear icon to open its settings. On the right-hand side of your screen, find the toggle labeled Required and switch it on. A red asterisk will appear next to the field, indicating that users must fill it out before submitting. Once your survey is complete, click on Publish at the top of your screen. Then click Copy Link to copy the survey URL. You can now paste this link anywhere, send it to others, or even embed it on your website. To check survey responses, return to your homepage and you'll see the number of submissions listed below the form. This is how you can successfully create and manage a Jotform survey.